Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Xbox app is showing dependencies missing for many services like this. So here you can see there are many services which is missing like gaming, Xbox, identity provider, Microsoft Store, purchase app. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to repair Xbox app. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings and then go to apps, and in the search box you can go ahead and type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app, then click on advanced options, scroll down, and over here you can see the repair option, so click on repair, and after the repair close the settings and then go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then restart your computer and then try opening your Xbox app. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and reset your Xbox app. For this, again go to settings, then go to apps, type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app and then click on advanced options, and this time click on reset. Click on reset, and once the reset is done, again restart your computer and then go ahead and check your Xbox app. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. For this, again open Windows 10 settings, go to apps and then type in Xbox once again and then click on Xbox and then click on uninstall, and once the uninstall is complete, open Microsoft Store and in the search box type in Xbox and then click on Xbox app and then go ahead and install Xbox from here once again, and after the installation you can go ahead and log into your account, and that should go ahead and fix the missing services. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected, so click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now once the download is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so click on install, and after the installation you can go ahead and open your Xbox application and you should not face that problem anymore. So one of the steps should definitely help you to fix this. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.